Apolinario Mabini was born on July 23, 1864, in Tanawan, Batangas, Philippines. Despite being paralyzed by polio before the Philippine Revolution, he became one of the country's most respected intellectuals and political thinkers. His wisdom and leadership earned him the title Brains of the Revolution. Mabini served as the chief advisor to Emilio Aguinaldo during the struggle for Philippine independence from Spain. He helped establish the revolutionary government and wrote important decrees and policies. Because of his dedication to the nation, he is also known as the Sublime Paralytic. Apolinario Mabini died of cholera on May 13, 1903, at age 38. Known as the Brains of the Revolution, he was a trusted advisor to Emilio Aguinaldo and helped lead the fight for Philippine independence despite being paralyzed.
Hindi ako naniniwalang kusang papatay ng isang kapitan ang isang general na walang nag-uutos.
Presidente ba ang tinutukoy mo? Anong mapapala ni Miyong doon? Nabawasan lang siya ng isang magaling na general.
Na mainitin ang ulo. Nananapak at tututukan ka
Alam
kapag...
ko.
Isipin mo na lang na wala na dapat ikabahala ang presidente ngayong wala na si Luna.
Iisipin ko na lang na mas importante pa rin na magkaisa tayong lahat.
Kanina sa tren, muntik na akong mapagkamalang si Antonio. Gusto akong barilin ng kapitan na nagtatanong. Mukhang nakakalat ang utos na dakpin si Luna, patay o buhay.
Saan ang galing ang utos?
Hindi ko alam. Pero isang general daw ang nagpapatupad nito.
Sino?
Yung paborito ni Miyong, yung mayabang.
Ang batang general.
Icon, man, my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.